So to reduce these effects, there are some methods. So there are methods to limiting the effect of armature reaction. First of all, high reluctance pole tips. So our problem is reduce the armature reaction. So when we reduce the armature reaction, then the main field flux will passes from north to south without any distortion. So then what happens? We can generate the EMF smoothly without any effects. So due to the armature reaction, this will be changed. I mean, magnetic flux path, main poles magnetic flux path will changes. So due to that change, these effects will be happened. So we have to reduce the armature reaction effect. So for that purpose, first of all, high reluctance pole tips. This is the main pole. So this is the main pole. This is the armature shape. So this armature core surface is like cylindrical shape. So we need to place chamfered pole face. So main poles will be created like these curve shapes. So due to these curve shapes, there is a short gap here and there is a long gap here. So when we place the designing of machine like this, then we can reduce the armature cross flux. So by flattering the pole faces slightly, so that the air gap is longer at the pole tips rather than the center of the pole tip, this will result in increasing in reluctance of pole tips, and the magnitude of armature cross flux will be reduced. This is the one of the limiting method. Coming to the second one, reduction in armature flux. So we have to reduce the armature flux. How can we reduce the armature flux? There is a method by field pole lamination. Field pole lamination means by creating the air holes in the main field poles. So this is the another constructional technique of reducing the armature cross flux. So for that, we have to create more reluctance in the path of armature flux without reducing the main field flux. This is achieved by using field poles laminations having several rectangular holes here. These are the holes, rectangular holes in main field poles. We have to punch the holes in main field poles. Then what happens? See here in this diagram, these are the crosses. These conductors, currents passes from away from us, current passing away from us. It means from the right hand thumb rule, this is a anti-clockwise direction. So this armature flux is passing in the main poles. Due to the holes punched in the main poles, the flux passes from this iron core to this iron core. There is a air gap between these two iron cores. So the flux strength will be reduced. Then it will comes to the third hole. So again it will be reduced. Like this, the armature flux effect will be almost completely reduced at the end of the point. From the starting point, there is a much effect of armature flux, but the end of there is reducing. It is reducing because of the air holes. Like that, right side also same. So armature flux will be reduced. So when the armature flux is reduced, the effect of main field flux will also reduced. So this is the one of the method to reduce the armature flux. So our aim is to reduce the magnetic flux, armature flux, because it distorts the main field flux. So when we reduce the armature flux, the main field flux will passes from north to south smoothly. Now coming to the third method, strong main field flux. It means previous method is to reduce the armature flux, but here strengthen the main field flux. So if you increase the field flux strength, then the armature flux will oppose the main field flux, but still because of the strength of main field flux, it will passes from north to south. This is the one of the method. And coming to the most important methods, interpoles or commutating poles method. Interpoles are small poles placed between the main poles. North pole and south poles are main poles, but see here, upper and lower poles are interpoles. these are created in series with the armature winding. The EMF induced by the interpoles neutralizes the effect of armature MFF, because if this armature is creating armature flux, here also armature flux is creating, the upper flux will be nullified by the upper interpole main flux. So these two fluxes will opposes each other and crosses each other. The main flux will passes from left to right without any disturbance. So same like this, in the lower path of armature flux will be nullified by the lower south interpole. So these two poles, interpoles, are creating to nullify the or to reduce the armature flux. When we reduce the armature flux, then the main flux will be passes from north to south without any disturbance. So this is the one of the method, and this is the final method, compensating winding. Compensating winding also to nullify or to neutralize the armature flux. See here, this is a armature circle cylindrical. See these are the dots. Dots means current towards us. It passes towards us. Cross means away from us. But we are placing another winding, that is a compensating winding. So which compensates the armature winding. So see here, when the dots are, in the armature conductors passing away from us, then the nearer place in the main poles, we have to create the another winding. This winding is placed with the crosses. Crosses means these are passing away from us. So these conductor currents are opposite to the armature conductor currents. If this flux is clockwise, then the opposite pole, the main pole conductors are creating in opposite direction flux. So these two fluxes will crosses each other, then flux will be reduced, complete armature flux will be reduced, then the main field flux will passes from left to right without any disturbance. Are you clear? So when the north pole main field flux passes from north pole to south pole, then the armature conductors cuts the main flux, then EMF will be induced across the armature conductors without any disturbance, without any effects. Then the EMF will be induced effectively. If there is any armature effects will be happened in machine, then EMF will be reduced, and again sparks and some losses will be increases. These are all happening from the armature reaction effect. So this is the armature reaction effect concept. So armature reaction is very dangerous effect. We have to decrease this effect by any one of the important methods. Okay, I hope you can understand this concept. Thank you guys. If you need this material, please comment your mail ID in the comment box, then I will send to your mail ID. Thank you guys. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.